Suggestion: none. Holland, or the Netherlands if you want to get technical, is a dreamy destination that offers a unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. Picture this: endless tulip fields in full bloom, charming windmills turning in the breeze, and picturesque canals that make Venice jealous. It's a sight to behold. Oh, and don't forget the cheese. From Gouda to Edam, the variety is simply mouth-watering. Start your trip in Amsterdam, the heart of Holland. This city is not just about the red light district, though it's quite illuminating. There's so much more to explore. It's also home to the Van Gogh Museum and Anne Frank House. Culture and history? Check. Dive into the artistic and historical treasures that Amsterdam has to offer. Next, pedal your way to Keukenhof Gardens, a paradise for flower lovers. It's like walking through a kaleidoscope of flowers. The vibrant colors and fragrant blooms are simply mesmerizing. And for the romantics, a boat tour in Giethoorn, the Venice of the North, is a must. The serene canals and charming houses create a fairy tale setting. Feeling peckish? Snack on some stroopwafels and try not to fall in love with this sweet treat. It's a delightful experience for your taste buds. And let's not forget the Dutch people. Friendly, tall, and always ready to share a biking tip. Their warm hospitality will make you feel right at home. So why wait? Pack your bags and let Holland charm the clogs off you. Adventure, beauty, and unforgettable memories await you in this enchanting country.